Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we have a product sent over by Quntis, and what they sent over happens to be an LED monitor light. This is basically a light source that sits on top of your monitor to brighten up your workspace. There's a whole myriad of different features to get into, and we're going to be going through all that later in this video. But before we move on, I should mention that if you are interested in purchasing this product at any point in this video, I have added the product link in the description below. And not only that, once you have opened up the link, make sure to select Quntis as the seller so you can use this coupon code at the checkout page to get 8% off. The coupon code is also included in the description below, so you can simply just copy and paste it. Now, let's move on to the next part of the video. Here we have a closer view of the box. You might notice that some of the adhesive is still left over from the shipping labels. Nevertheless, let's take a look at the content around the box. At the front, we're given a view of the lamp placed on top of a monitor. If you rotate the box, there's some text written. At the back, we're shown a few ways to mount the lamp based on your monitor's style and thickness. There's also some other details about the product, and at the top, we have the various features this lamp contains. There's nothing else to see on the sides, so let's move on to opening the box. So to open the box, you have to pull the tab at the bottom. You will then be faced with all the items laid out. So let's take all the things out, and you'll find that it comes with a user manual, some adjustment tools, a Type-C to USB cable, a screen clip, and the lamp bar. Now that we have all the items out, let's get to setting it up. You will first need to use the screen clip to clip onto the lamp for the setup process. Next, I would recommend connecting the Type-C cable to the light. And now you should mount it onto your monitor. And depending on your monitor's type and thickness, there are different ways to mount it. So if your display is 28mm to 35mm, don't use any covers. If it's 15 to 28, use a small cover. And if it's 7 to 20mm, use the big cover. All this information is provided in the user manual, but what if your monitor has an irregular shape, something like a curved back? In that case, don't clip the light bar to the monitor. Simply have it sit on top and adjust the angle by rotating the lamp bar and by turning the clip. That way, the light isn't shining into your eyes. Also, the same method should be used for curved displays. That's going to be it for the mounting process. All that's left for you is to plug in the USB cable, and a very convenient solution is to simply plug it into your PC or laptop. But you could also plug it into something like a power bank or wall adapter. Now that we have it hooked up, let's see what it can do. So let's get rid of the lights and turn on the lamp. When pressing the power switch, the first thing you'll notice is that, hey, the light's turned on. But also you'll realize how easy it is to use the touch controls. All it takes is a light tap and nothing more. Moving on, the button next to the power button toggles the auto dimming and adjustment feature. This uses the light sensor at the top to figure out the brightness coming from above and adjusts its brightness accordingly. So if the room is bright, the lamp will dim. If the room gets darker, the brightness of the lamp will increase. Now, the next button toggles the color temperature of the light. There are 2 options for warmer colors and 2 options for cooler colors. In total, you have 4 options. But if you want a more specific color in between, you can simply tap and hold and let go when the desired color is shown. The next button controls the brightness, and just like the color temperature control, it has 4 options. And you could also adjust to a more specific brightness by holding your tap and letting go when you want. In its entirety, I definitely recommend this product if you are in need of a lamp in your workspace. The build quality speaks for itself, and with those touch controls, it makes for an elegant experience. So that's going to be it for the video. Again, if you are interested, go check out the links in the description below, and thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions or just want to say hi, leave that down below in the comment section, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye for now.